Well, hey everybody, it's Doug and
Cathy. I can say my name.
Doug and Cathy Rucker with Doug Rucker Stores, who's always interrupting me. DougRuckerStore.com and PressureWashingSchool.com. And tomorrow is Thanksgiving Day, and so we just wanted to come on, the both of us,
Yes.
and just tell you guys how thankful we are to each and every one of you, whether you've gone to the store and purchased or gone to our school or both, which we have a lot that do that. We just wanted to tell you how thankful we are for you. You know, Cathy and I were talking the other day, and she's always asked, how did the school go? And I just, I'm always blown away by the great people that we have that come to the school, just good-hearted, kind people that are just looking to start a business and build a business and grow it for their families, help out their communities and all. And then we're also talking about the store, how great our customers are in the store, just always so kind. We mess up sometimes, but it just seems everybody's so understanding. You just think they're going to start berating you and just getting all over you, and you're just like, yeah, hey, whatever it takes. Thank you, man. Appreciate you taking care of it, whatever. So we're truly thankful for you guys supporting our business. We really do appreciate it. And we just wanted to wish each and every one of you a happy Thanksgiving. We've got a couple coming in here in a little bit to pick up a trailer rig that they're starting a business that they just started. They attended the school last month, and so we're really looking forward to that. It's just always an honor. It really is an honor to be able to help people get their businesses started, and so we look forward to releasing another one to the wild, and we're going to be here to continually help them anytime they need it. Just great people, and that kind of thing. Anything you want to say?
I just want to remind you guys of scripture that says, in every situation, no matter what the circumstances, be thankful and continually give thanks to God. Sometimes we talk about gratitude, or people talk about you just need to be thankful or give thanks in all things. And it's a struggle if things are hard. But I'll tell you, there's something to that. It changes your heart, and it changes your perspective on your situation. So if you're struggling or going through a tough time, do that. Say, I'm thankful, and look for some things to be thankful for. And look to see how much better you're going to be when you come out on the other side of whatever your struggle is. And for those of you that are, I have a friend who uses this phrase, sitting in butter. I mean, things are good for you. For those of you that have things going really well for you, yay, be grateful for that too. Yeah. Be grateful in all things, in every circumstance. And I will say, I'm going to tell you what I'm grateful for. On the 29th, today is the 26th, right? Mm-hmm. On the 29th, in 3 days, this man is going to have stayed married to me for 28 years. Amazing.
It's our anniversary.
I know, it is. It is. And we got married on Florida State game day for our Floridian friends.
That's right.
What in the world? So they play Saturday. So we, for our anniversary, are actually going to watch Florida State.
That's right. And we are also going to take a ride in my truck. I had to do $4,000 worth of repairs to my truck yesterday, and my wife asked me, Cathy asked me,
what are we going to do for our anniversary? And he sweetly said, we're going to take a ride in my truck.
That's right. So anyway, we are truly thankful for each and every one of you. I would also, since we are in the service business, would also, along with what Cathy just quoted, scripture that she quoted, a couple of things. Number one, remember that we are in the service business, and so just remember that the first part of that word says serve. So look at it from the standpoint of serving your customers, and then commit your works to the Lord, okay? I just found that when I started doing that many years ago, things just drastically changed. So if you're struggling, you're trying to get started, things are slow, whatever, just look to go out and serve somebody. commit it to the Lord. Commit that quote. My wife taught me years ago, pray before you walk up to that door, knock on that door to give that quote. Pray before you start that job, all of that. And I promise you it'll be helpful for you. So anyways, we thank each and every one of you. If we can help you in any way, email us at info@dougruckerstore.com. You can call or text 281-612-1223. Or if it's related to the school, then that's learn@pressurewashingschool.com. Call or text 281-883-3630. Hey, y'all have a very blessed Thanksgiving. We appreciate each and every one of you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Mundo, open that door! Where are they?
Oh, we can come in now?
Now you can come in.
I was like, I feel like I need to video this. Oh, wow.
What do you think?
It's beautiful.
Awesome.
This looks just like yours, Doug.
Not yet.
Just better.
Much better. Bye, good luck.